Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Justine Lamer. I am a social media consultant and a content creator. And here on YouTube, I love to make video about how to edit pictures and give you some social media tips. Let's get into today's video. About 3 months ago, I filmed a free Lightroom mobile preset tutorial about a warm tone for your Instagram feed, and so today I wanted to do a new free Lightroom preset that you can make on your computer or on your phone. It's up to you, it works for both. And this time I wanted to film a preset that will fit perfectly with the fall season. So if you are ready for Halloween as much as I am, watch that complete tutorial. Okay, so I wanted to start by... I keep kicking my camera. Whew. I wanted to start by explaining everything I am going to do. That way I don't have to stop every time to explain to you what I'm doing during the editing of a couple of pictures. So I'm going to show you what the picture are going to look before and of course what they're going to look after. Okay, when you're going to open Lightroom mobile or Lightroom on your computer, you are going to find light, color, effect, details, optic, and geometry. I am actually looking at my computer to make sure I don't forget any of them. Today we are only going to work with light, colors, details, and effects. Let me tell you what you're going to find in lights. I mean, if you already kind of know Lightroom, you can skip this part. However, I know that there is tons of people out there that have no idea what the things means. I made some research. I'm not like a Lightroom expert, but I believe if you know the definition of the words, it's easier for you to create your own presets because you will understand what the tool is about. So let's go. So the exposure, what you can see over here, will be the amount of light you have in your photos. So it's either you turn down the brightness or you turn it up. The contrast will be the difference of brightness between the light and the dark. So here it will bright the dark and here it will dark the light. The highlights adjust the brightness of your picture. So if you turn down the highlight a little bit, it will show more details in the pictures, but if you turn it up, it will make the details more bright. Shadows. This is the opposite of the highlights. This is the dark area of your picture. So the dark area of that picture will go bright if I go up and will get darker if I go down. The whites and the blacks are the same as the highlights and the shadows. So if you want more whites in your picture, you will go up and less white, and more black, less black. Playing with the light in your pictures is essential. More your picture is bright and better it is. Next, we are talking colors. I'm going to tell you what is hue. I literally had to watch a YouTube video to know how to say hue. Anyway, so hue is your tone color. So for example, let's do the blue. If I use the hue, I love it. This is going to be the tone of your color. So if you want your blue to be more aqua, or do you want it to be more purple, the saturation will intensify that color, so it will put it like no color, lot of color. And the luminescence, as it says, bright some lights to the color or no lights to the color. This is how you can kind of change the colors of your picture. Like if you always want your sky to look different, one kind of blue, then what is temperature? So do you want a photo that is more cold, or do you want more like a warm kind of look? Vibrance, that is the mid-tone. This is the tone that are not really exposed, and so that you're going to bright, and saturation, of course, is going to saturate all of your colors. I like vibrance because it won't affect the tone of your skin that much compared to saturation. Next, we have sharpening, so it sharpens your picture, make it more net. And we have clarity. I love clarity. This is one of my favorite. So clarity, it's playing with the shade. Can you see? So it blurs a little bit here when you go down, but when you go up, it sharps some tones of your picture. Texture, smooth some part of the picture. Noise reduction will help smooth pixels. So now that I've explained to you everything that I am going to use for this Lightroom preset to get that fall kind of look, I'm going to make the preset. Follow along. I'm going to screenshot, add it to what I'm doing when I'm doing it. You guys take notes. Don't hesitate to pause it, write it down. Have fun watching. You're done. You did everything you were supposed to do. So what we're going to do now, we're going to create a preset. So you're going to do create preset. You're going to name it however you want. For look for next season, and this is yours. You save it and you can add it to all your other pictures. So let's see on other picture. This one, it's gonna look like that. Yay. Sounds pretty good to me. All the picture look pretty awesome. Yes, if you want to see how your feed will look, that is the feed before preset, right? Okay, and that is the feed after the preset. So we have a pretty fall Halloween kind of look, and I am very excited to use it on my own. Okay, I hope you guys loved today's video. Here is the result of your new fall look Lightroom preset, however I call that video. free Lightroom preset, full tutorial for fall. That is better. Anyways, that is the before, okay, and that is the after. That is pretty cool. You guys did a great job. So I am thinking of doing another one maybe around October to provide you with a Christmas preset that will be fun to make. And until then, I hope you enjoyed that one. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to not miss that next Lightroom preset I'm going to make. I will see you next Friday. Bye.